Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. Montreal Newswire Bossier La Caisse, formerly CDPQ, today published its 2025 Sustainable Investing Report, announcing that its climate action investments totaled $226 billion as of December 31st, 2025. This marks a significant increase of $68 billion from the previous year's $158 billion. The report highlights the organization's unwavering commitment to sustainable investing despite global turbulence. In June 2025, La Caisse unveiled a new 2025-2030 climate strategy, aiming for $400 billion in climate action to accelerate decarbonization across companies and the economy. The strategy focuses on investing in firms that integrate climate into their business models and actively pursue climate solutions. Additionally, La Caisse reported substantial progress in social and governance areas, including increased representation of women and minorities, proactive engagement on human rights, and advocating for climate action in shareholder meetings. Charles Eamon, President and CEO, emphasized the importance of a long-term perspective and generating performance responsibly for future generations of Quebecers. LBC reports that the UK's national energy system operator, NESO, has issued a warning that a surge in solar power generation could threaten to overwhelm the electricity grid this summer. To counteract potential instability from excessive solar use and low demand, NESO is developing plans to pay households to utilize excess energy supplies during sunny periods. This initiative involves modifying its Demand Flexibility Service, DFS, to encourage consumers to shift their energy-intensive activities, such as running washing machines, dishwashers, and charging electric vehicles to specific times when solar energy is abundant. Additionally, conventional power stations might receive unprecedented orders to temporarily cease operations. While the outlook highlights ample electricity supply, it also notes that the Iran conflict is expected to drive up gas prices due to the UK's reliance on gas, though the country is projected to have sufficient gas stocks even for export. Chancellor Rachel Reeves emphasized the need for coordinated global action to tackle economic shocks from the conflict and enhance energy security. UPI reports that South Korea's LG AI Research has announced a partnership with local brokerage firm Kiwoom Securities and the London Stock Exchange Group. This tripartite collaboration aims to develop advanced AI agent services specifically for retail investors. The initiative will focus on delivering stock-specific forecast scores, complete with user-friendly explanations, directly through Kiwoom's existing retail trading platform. Additionally, the partnership plans to introduce comprehensive AI-powered wealth management services to enhance investor experience. LG AI Research intends to utilize its proprietary EXAON business intelligence system for this project. This system is distinguished by its 4 specialized AI agents: an AI journalist, an AI economist, an AI analyst, and a decision maker. These agents are designed to collect real-time data, perform in-depth analysis to predict market trends, generate detailed reports, and ultimately evaluate various investment scenarios to produce final scores for individual stocks. Lim Woo-young, chief of LG AI Research, emphasized the critical importance of explainability and reliability, alongside accuracy, for financial AI agents. He highlighted that EXAON business intelligence is evolving into a practical AI system that supports human judgment by enabling expert agents to collaborate across analysis, forecasting, and report preparation. Nicholas Falmain, a senior executive at the London Stock Exchange Group, commented that this alliance marks a significant turning point in creating greater value throughout the financial ecosystem. CTV News reports that Durham police are investigating a fatal break-in at a home in Ajax. Officers responded to calls on Shorten Place, near Taunton and Westney Roads, around 12:40 a.m., and discovered a male with traumatic injuries who was pronounced dead at the scene. Authorities believe the suspects fled on foot before police arrived. No suspect descriptions have been released yet. The incident is being treated as a targeted homicide, and investigators assure the public there are no current safety concerns. An update from police is expected at 10 a.m. CTV News reports that a motorcyclist was transported to the hospital following a collision in Scarborough. The incident occurred at the intersection of Ellesmere Road and Markham Road. The individual involved is currently in serious but stable condition. Further details regarding the crash have not been released at this time. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.